Which one of the following is least reactive in nucleophilic substitution reaction? So first, what is nucleophilic substitution reaction? Say nucleophile means it needs positive charge. So it will be a negative charged thing. So it go and attack a positively charged. So what is nucleophilic substitution? One is eliminated and in that place something is substituted. So first let us take, what is this CH3, CH2, Cl? It's chloroethane or ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. See the hybridization of carbon here. So this is CH3, CH2. The hybridization is sp2. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. The carbon has sp3 hybridization. So what happens? It will be easily removed and any nucleophile, see it has positive charge and it will be having negative charge. Any nucleophile can come and attack the positive charge. Let us take the next one. This is allyl chloride. That means see here CH2 double bond CH and this is CH2 Cl. So here the chlorine is attached to sp3 and in turn it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Here also because of this sp3 this will be easily removed and any nucleophile can come and attack this sp3 hybridized carbon. And same here in the case of tertiary chloride and this is allyl chloride. So tertiary is carbon. This carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon and a nucleophile can attack this sp3 hybridized carbon. See in the case of vinyl chloride. So what is a vinyl chloride? This is CH2 double bond CCl. Then it is CH. See the chlorine is attached to, here it is sp2 hybridized carbon. See here chlorine is attached to sp3 and then it is sp2. But chlorine is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So because of this double bond character, the bond length will be less. The bond length is less. So the bond strength will be more. Bond strength will be more. It also undergoes shifting resonance. So it also undergoes resonance because Cl in conjugation with double bond. So because of these things, it is difficult to break this bond. It is more stable and it is very difficult to break this bond. So this is very least. Here what happens? This vinyl carbon is least reactive to the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here it is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This is resonance stabilized and it is very difficult to break this bond comparing all these things. So this vinyl chloride is least reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction.